Hello everybody, are you ready for today's class? Today we are going to see gerund and infinitive, okay? Well, but first of all, I want you to show you the kind of verb you are going to use with the modal verb can, because some people confuse when using can, because sometimes they use can with an infinitive, or some other people use can with a gerund. Well, I want you to pay attention to this. Can plus base verb. What does base verb means? That means that you are going to use the verb alone, solito, next to can, right? Remember that can is a modal verb, and you are going to use it next to a base verb. Can means in Spanish poder. It's going to talk about abilities, all right? So the patterns of the sentence is going to be subject plus can plus base verb to talk about abilities, all right? Examples. I can play the piano. I can sing very well. If you paid attention here, after the modal verb can, we have play. And play is a base verb, right? I can play, I can sing. After the modal verb can, we are going to use the base form of the verb. Don't forget it, okay? The base form of the verb. For example, I can play, yo puedo jugar, yo puedo, en este caso, I can play, yo puedo tocar the piano. I can sing, yo puedo cantar very well, right? Don't forget it. After the modal verb can, you have to use the base verb. Verbo solito después de can. Is incorrect if you use can with an infinitive verb. Remember that the infinitive verb is not going to be used with the modal verb can. For example, this sentence, I can to play, is totally wrong. So it's incorrect to use after can an infinitive verb. And also, it's incorrect to use after the modal verb can a gerund. For example here, I can pledging. No, this sentence is incorrect. Remember that after the modal verb can, you have to use a base verb, alright? A base verb. Well, for example, can play and can sing. No, not can to play or can pledging. Remember, this form is incorrect. Alright? Don't forget it. I'm gonna repeat you again. After the modal verb can, you are going to use the base verb. The base verb is the verb alone. Alright? For example, here, can play and can sing. Can means poder in Spanish, and we are gonna use it, the modal verb can, to talk about abilities. Alright? Now, can't in negative. We are going to use can't, which is the contraction of cannot, plus base verb, which means no poder, all right, in Spanish, no poder. So we have the pattern, subject, can't, base verb, to talk about negative abilities, all right? For example, I can't dance bachata. I can't sing at all. Remember, after the modal verb can, you have to use the base form of the verb. For example, I can't dance bachata. I can't sing at all, right? Now here we have some examples with infinitives after verbs and gerunds after verbs. But first of all, I want you to explain what is an infinitive verb. An infinitive verb is the verb with the preposition to. When you have the verb to play, to work out, to watch TV, to swim, and to travel. These are some examples of infinitive verbs, alright? A verb with the preposition to is an infinitive verb. Don't forget it here. Okay, so, for example, the pattern says that we can use an infinitive verb with other verb, okay, such as love, hate, prefer, like, and I'd like. After the verb love, we can use an infinitive. For example, I love to play video games. I hate to work out. I prefer to watch TV. I like to swim in the pool. I delight to travel, right? So, the infinitive verb es el verbo con la preposición to play, to work out, to watch TV, to swim, and to travel. Vamos a usar el infinitive verb después del verbo love, hate, prefer, like, and I'd like. Okay? For example, I love to play. Me encanta jugar. I hate to work out. Odio ejercitarme. I prefer to watch TV. Prefiero ver televisión. I like to swim. Me gusta nadar. I delight to travel. Me gustaría viajar. Okay? After the verb love, hate, prefer, like, and would like, we have to use the infinitive verb, right? And also, we can use gerunds after the same verbs. After the verb love, after the verb hate, prefer, like, and enjoy, we can also use another verb. But that verb have to be in gerund. But what is gerund? Remember that we call gerund to the verb ending in ing. When the verb ending in ing is a gerund verb, we are going to use this gerund as the object of the verb love. For example, in this case, I love playing. I hate working out. I prefer watching TV. I like swimming in the pool. I enjoy reading. What does that mean? That means that you can use, podemos usar, después del verbo love, like this, love and love, después del verbo hate, hate, después del verbo prefer, prefer, después del verbo like, like. Aquí en este caso solamente después del verbo would like podemos usar infinitive, pero aquí ya no podemos usar con el gerund, solamente con would like podemos usar infinitive. Lo mismo con enjoy. Aquí con enjoy nosotros vamos a usar un gerund. ¿Ok? Así es que tenemos two choices, dos opciones para usar con estos verbos. Por ejemplo, con el verbo love yo puedo usar un infinitive o puedo usar un gerund. Les recuerdo de nuevo que el gerund es un verbo con la terminación ing y que va a funcionar como objeto del verbo. Por ejemplo, playing es objeto del verbo love. Por ejemplo, aquí, I love playing. A mí me encanta jugar. Después del verbo hate, también puedo usar un gerund. Acuérdense que un gerund es un verbo con la terminación ing y va a ser el objeto del verbo hate. I hate working. Odio ejercitarme. I prefer watching TV. Del verbo watching is en gerund. Gerund, right? Este verbo es el objeto de prefer. Vamos a decir, I prefer watching TV, which means, que significa en Spanish, yo prefiero ver televisión, porque watching ya se convierte en el objeto del verbo prefer. The same, lo mismo con el verbo like. Cuando usamos un gerund después del verbo like, ese verbo se convierte en objeto del otro verbo. I like swimming, significa a mí me gusta nadar, in the pool. Después de enjoy también usamos un gerund. I enjoy reading, which means yo disfruto leer. Ok, se los voy a repetir. Después del verbo love, after the verb love, hate, prefer, like, we can use, podemos usar dos formas de verbo, ya sea infinitive or gerund. For example, it's the same, es lo mismo decir I love to play, I love playing. I hate to work out, I hate working out. I prefer to watch TV, I prefer watching TV. I like to swim, I like swimming in the pool. I delight to travel, I enjoy reading. Alright? Don't forget it. Alright? After the verb love, hate, prefer, like, and would like, you can use a gerund. You can use an infinitive verb. After the verb love, hate, prefer, like, and enjoy, you can also use a gerund. Okay? So can be infinitive or gerund. It's the same. it has the same meaning. It's the same to say I love to play, me gusta jugar, o también puedo decir I love playing, me gusta jugar. I hate to work out, odio ejercitarme. I hate working out, odio ejercitarme. It's the same, okay? You can use whatever of the two forms. Now, we are going to use gerunds after prepositions, such as after at and after in. So, for example, the pattern here, you have be plus good at, which means ser bueno para. Example, I am good at cooking. Okay, I am good at cooking. Well, after the preposition in, if you can see here, in, you have a gerund. Después de la preposición at, usamos un gerund. Después de la preposición in, también usamos un gerund, ¿ok? Vamos a usar gerunds después de cualquier preposición que tengamos. Por ejemplo, aquí, good at, ser bueno para. Here, I am good at cooking. Yo soy bueno cocinando, alright? So you can also say, I am good at speaking English. I am good at dancing. I am good at singing. I am good at using the computer. And some other examples. After the preposition in, for example, you have be plus interested in, which means estar interesado en. I am interested in learning more. You can also say more examples. For example, here, I am interested in traveling. I am interested in speaking English. I am interested in working out. I am interested in playing cards. I am interested in studying English, okay? So after the preposition in, you are going to use a gerund, which means estoy interesado en aprender. Yo soy buena para cocinar, okay? After the preposition, después de la preposition at, vamos a usar un gerund. Después de la preposición in, vamos a usar un gerund. Acuérdense que gerund es el verbo con la terminación ing, ¿ok? Lo cual se convierte en objeto de la preposición. Example, I am good at cooking. I am interested in learning more. Well, that's everything for today. I hope you don't have any problem when using gerunds after prepositions, when using infinitive and gerunds, okay? Now I want you to pay attention to the following part of the grammar. So I want you please to pay attention and listen carefully. Listen carefully to this chart. Example, you have can, can't plus verb. Remember base verb. I can't play the piano. I can't play very well. So I want you to listen and please pay attention and watch it carefully, alright? Watch it carefully. Let's see if we have the time to do this.
Routine 2. Grammar. Verb forms. Can, can't, plus verb.
I can play the piano.
I can't play very well.
I can't sing at all.
Verb plus to plus verb.
I love to swim.
I like to play pool.
I hate to work out.
I prefer to watch TV. I'd like to play jazz. Verb plus verb plus ing.
I love swimming.
I like playing pool.
I hate working out. I prefer watching TV.
I enjoy reading. Preposition plus verb plus ing.
I'm good at drawing people.
I'm not interested in skiing.
Okay, that's all for today. And then if you have any question, remember that we are going to have the class next Saturday. And then you can keep in touch with me too in case you have another question, okay? So long and have a nice day.